Hello and welcome to another update video about ICP. On the ICP chart, we're still waiting for a little bit of clarity. If you watched yesterday's video, you're pretty much up to date. We can zoom in a minute and take a look at these short-term fluctuations. But on the ICP chart, the idea was that, yep, we completed 5 waves to the upside, okay? And now it's time to just wait and see what the market wants to do. The chart was fairly clear in recent days and also in the last couple of weeks, and the price respected our support as well as resistance levels. We had 4 on the chart, all 4 were respected, and now it's all about, okay, you know, we'll see, because the expectations have been fulfilled for this initial move to the upside. My approach is usually we go with the trend, right? So we go with the trend, so we expect higher prices still, but with a mindset or approach that suggests, look, we have basically done what we need to do. So if the market wants to climb higher, fair enough, but it's not needed anymore to fulfill the structure. That's why I already added the larger support area to the chart, which we label wave 2. And this is support between $4.10 and $8.32. Now, again, I don't suggest the price will come down to $4.10 necessarily, even though it could do. This is just a standard support zone. So as long as this level is holding, a third wave higher or C wave in the white count, it's an ABC structure, can unfold, which would mean another rally higher, possibly in 2024. But first of all, this correction needs to unfold. And so far, because we have 5 waves up, possibly complete. It's not great, that microstructure, right? It's not great, but we have 5 waves up, possibly complete. The pullback could be potentially corrective, and that would be the expectation. Therefore, we are adding that support area, and as long as this support box is holding, higher prices can be expected. Now, you see on this chart here, this potential 5-wave move to the upside of the October lows or September lows. Yep. So we have this wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. And it reached even our target range. If we zoom out a little bit, then you'll see here that $15.74 was the next major Fibonacci level on this chart. It's the resistance area. Above that level, we have $23.68. But there are also smaller Fibonacci levels which are relevant for the price. Okay, so let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we see that this circle wave 4, this 4th wave, bottomed here on the 21st of December. And likely the chart started a move to the upside. I did explain already in yesterday's video, look, I can count 5 waves up complete, all good. Let's see if we break down. But I also highlighted that until we break, you know, this support level at $10.69, we could still look for one more high at least, because we haven't broken even the closest micro support level. But we have to do it from a perspective that we say, okay, the minimum expectations for this rally have been fulfilled. Doesn't need to go any higher, but to be honest, we look at this, it would look probably better with one more high. So what are the next levels to the upside? But it requires obviously a break above the $16.27 level, which is the high that formed on the 3rd of January. So the next levels to the upside are $16.85, $18.58, $20.49, and then $21.76 as next targets. First of all, however, the market needs to do something. At the moment, it looks a little bit like a triangle that's unfolding here, which typically warns us that a larger move is coming. I mean, this looks like a triangle, but is it an Elliott wave triangle? I wouldn't really... I mean, there are different ways how you can label this. You could even say all of this is wave 4 here, but that would look a little bit strange. It's possible that all of this is a wave 4 triangle. Yeah, it's something, but then the pattern would be a little bit weird. We could also say that this is possibly off the wave 5. Yeah, it would need to be an ABC pattern anyway, because all of this is an ending diagonal. So A, B, and maybe the C wave is starting. So I just want to highlight, you know, that as long as we're holding the $10.69 level, one more high can be expected. I mentioned the targets. And we have to be mindful that at some point, this wave 2 pullback could start. But for now, we focus still on higher until the trend breaks. Also, you might want to check this trend line. I mean, it's not very well defined. Now we only have 2 touch points. It's not really valid as a trend line. I think you can probably, you would have to cut through. So maybe we disregard the trend line. Sometimes they can be useful. Sometimes they can help. So let's see. I think the focus can still be on higher. The price did react quite nicely to our micro support area. So, but yeah, as I said, to really be able to look for higher prices, the high that was formed on Wednesday needs to be taken out first. That's my update about ICP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.